Why do I always have lipstick on my teeth when I'm filming? It's the most embarrassing thing ever. Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this eye makeup look for you guys. This is a St. Patrick's Day inspired look, and it's been a while since I've done a St. Patrick's Day look on my channel. I don't know why, and I should be ashamed because I'm Irish. So I thought I would make up for that and do a really bold St. Patrick's Day look. And I also teamed up with one of my good friends, LJ, and she has done a look on her channel as well. I really wanted to use just one palette for this look, and I started with the Stacey Marie palette from Be Perfect Cosmetics, and I was using the green shades, and I just felt the greens weren't the right shade of green. So then I ended up reaching into my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette to get that really dark green, and then I felt like I needed a real shimmery Irish green. So then I went into my Urban Decay palette. So it's just a totally mix of palettes, which wasn't planned, and I do apologize for that. This look is totally out there, totally out of my comfort zone. It's really big and bold with really dramatic fluttery lashes, and I love it. It's different, and it kind of gave me a chance to kind of get out of my comfort zone as well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sarah, and my channel is focused around beginners makeup lessons and eye makeup tutorials. I really hope you enjoy the St. Paddy's Day look. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So to begin, I'm taking the P. Louise base in shade number 1, and I'm packing this onto my lid. This is an incredible eyeshadow base, but it is very thick, almost like a concealer. It's great for really dramatic looks, but you really want to pack on colors instead of blending too much. So I'm going to be showing you a different type of technique today. We're going to be going in with the darker color first and then blending out to the lightest. So I'm taking this dark green shade on a blending brush. This is a medium-sized blending brush. I'm pressing the color onto the lid first and then going back and forth across the crease to blend out the edges. Then we're going to take a more detailed blending brush and going into a darker green shade, but this time I'm going to keep it really close to the crease of the eye. So you're just building up color and creating a bit of depth. And don't be afraid of color here. This is a really bold, dramatic look, so don't be afraid to pack on the color and blend later. I'm also going to take this dark green into the outer corner and the inner corner. So just very softly blend it out. Don't be afraid to pack on a lot of pigment because this is a really dramatic look. So next I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm going in with the mint green shade, and this is where all the blending is going to happen. So I'm slowly going around the outer edges of the eyeshadow. You want to do this with a really light hand. Hold your brush at the end of the handle because you want to create like an ombre. So you're going from darkest to lightest, and you really want your blend to be seamless. Now we're going to cut the crease, and this is my favorite bit. Take a concealer, I'm using a white one, and a really detailed brush. I really like this one from the Your Makeup collection, and I'm just very slowly cutting out the crease. Applying a white concealer underneath is really going to enhance the spotlight and really make it pop. You know, work with a really detailed brush and take your time with it. Practice makes perfect. So I'm going to take this little pencil brush and we're just going to blend out the edges. So when you're going in with a concealer, you're going to have quite sharp edges. So you just want to go back and very softly blend out any sharp lines. Dipping into the light mint shade, I'm just popping this on either side of the dark green, and now we're going in with a bit of shimmer. So I mix the two greens together to really get that gorgeous shimmery Irish green. I finished off the look with really fluttery dramatic lashes, and then I just sweep the dark green eyeshadow on the lower lash line and popped a little bit of black liner in the waterline and a bit of mascara, of course, on the lower lashes to make them pop. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial. If you want to check out the complexion side of the tutorial, you can check that out over on my Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy St. Patrick's Day!